Presenting a pre-owned 2014 Porsche 911 Carrera. This two-door coupe has a six-cylinder, 3.8-liter H6 engine with rear-wheel drive and a 7-speed double-clutch transmission. This Porsche is a great value with less than 38,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 19 miles per gallon in the city and 27 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free Auto Check Vehicle History Report. Key features include premium package, auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, wireless data link, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, XM satellite radio, sunroof, and leather seats.